All right, you guys, we're going to be looking at the Mammoth Mouth Chemical Guys foam cannon. This is a newer foam cannon that Chemical Guys are selling. Quick review, I like it. It's absolutely worth the price of admission. This is an upgrade from another Chemical Guys foam cannon that I have that has a very narrow head. And I don't really like it because it's difficult to clean. One of the things that I love the most about this is how easy it is to clean this. Now, I've seen other reviews and people reported that they had leakage right here at the tip. I did not experience such a thing, and yeah, this is a well-made product. My guess is they bought something faulty. I'm going to be foaming up my motorcycle, but really quick, how do you set this thing up? Well, it's quite simple. It comes with a little tube here. We're going to insert it into the bottom, or from the bottom, I apologize. All right, just like that. Now this thing is ready to go. You have two knobs here to make your fine adjustments. One over here with the yellow tip, and then this little knob over at the top. So I just have it at the default settings because it works quite well. We're going to be hitting the motorcycle with this soap, the Snowball Sticky Soap. So this stuff sticks to the surface of your car or your motorcycle or whatever it is that you're cleaning, and it gives you a little bit more time to work with it. You don't need that much, to be honest. So just fill it up like halfway, just like that. Let's go ahead and thread this guy on. I mean, this thing is incredibly easy to thread. This is just a much smarter design, and this is compatible with the majority of pressure washers that exist. So I'm going to connect this over to my what's it called, my Craftsman pressure washer. So right now I got to do a few other things, and once I'm ready to shoot, that's where we'll leave off. So stay tuned. Peace. All right, here we go.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I am finished with the wash, and I'm going to show you the picture of the aftermath of my motorcycle. It looks really good, doesn't it? And I just cleaned out the bottle here, the foam cannon, and it took literally no more than 2 minutes. So yeah, and again right here, this is completely dry, you guys. This is completely dry right here. There was no leakage whatsoever. This thing worked exactly as advertised. It is pricey, which is one of the downsides to this foam cannon. However, you get what you pay for, and while I don't think this is necessarily made in the US, the majority of Chemical Guys products are made here in the US, so this gets a seal of approval from me. Let me know what you guys think. Have you had as much success with the foam cannon as I have? Let me know in the comment section. Any questions, comments, or concerns, you know what to do. Peace out.